First, watch this video carefully. After that, we'll understand the full process of how to create it. Right now, this type of Reels is going viral. People are uploading these kinds of videos and getting millions of views. This type of video is created in 3 simple steps. So let's start with step 1. For this step, I've already prepared a ready-made prompt for you. You can directly copy and paste it. Step 2. For this step, you can either use a child's image, or if you want to convert your own image into a baby version, you can do that too. Simply paste this prompt directly into ChatGPT, upload your image, and use the prompt to convert your image into a baby-style image. Step 3. Now, go to Kling AI. Click on AI Video, then select Motion Control. Upload your reference video in the first section and upload your image in the second section. After that, paste the prompt below and click on Generate. Within a few minutes, your video will be generated. You can download the video from here. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll meet again soon.